Let's look at how to launch your software and power up your machine. So the first thing I want to do is launch the software on my computer. To launch the software on my computer, I'm going to double click on the icon. And depending on the security settings of Windows, you may see this window pop up. I'm going to just hit yes and let it launch. You can change your security settings to not have this pop up every time. I'm currently running in the Simplified interface. You can change that if you want a few more advanced features, but for the majority of what I'm running most of the time, I am running in this mode. And it will come up to a blank screen, and it's going to show you a question mark and a machine that it just doesn't know what's there because we haven't turned anything on. So you've got that blank screen. Let's go ahead and go back and turn on the machines. I've got multiple machines here right now. I'm going to flip the power on, so I'm going to come over here, flip this power on this machine, and then I'm going to flip this power on this machine. And you can watch, and as these machines power up, the lights will come on, they'll move, they'll do a little kind of a home dance to make sure that all the parts of the machine are safe and ready to completely power up. If you notice they don't do that, you may check and make sure that your e-stop is disengaged. If the e-stop is engaged, it's not going to be able to fully power up. So as these are coming online, you'll see these powers, they'll make a few beeps. You may hear a series of 5 beeps as it pairs with the software. You may not if you've already done this. So we're coming up, and then as these do these little home dances and start to move, you'll see the machines start to come up on screen. As the machines come up, any maintenance that is due will pop up on your screen. When you're powering up the machines for the first time, you may notice that there is a window that pops up as files are syncing. This can take up to 5 minutes, especially with new machines or software updates. I'll be covering maintenance in a different video, so for now I am going to cancel out of that to show you what it looks like. On the bottom of the screen you will see both of your machines, and now that both the machines are fully powered up, they've appeared on screen, you are ready to go ahead and do your daily maintenance. If it's the very first time you're doing this, you may need to do all of your initial maintenance, but then you're ready to load a design and get going.